Construction can be equal parts exciting and stressful. Although it's exciting to see your vision come to life, you may feel overwhelmed by schedules, payments, and unexpected situations. You may also be wondering what you can expect from your architect during the construction process. In this video, we're going to discuss an architect's role throughout this process. My name is Nick Lindsley, and I'm an architect here at Newman Munson. We have helped guide numerous clients through the construction process. Today, we'll be using our experience to help you understand what you can expect from your architect during construction. During construction, you can expect your architect to establish expectations with you and your contractor, perform quality control, review payments, review change orders and handle disputes, and facilitate closeout. By the end of this video, you'll have a much better understanding of what an architect's role is after the design stage. Before we dive into the expectations, I should first explain the architect's role during construction. Although most of the architect's work occurs before construction begins, we stay on the project until completion. During construction, we perform the role of contract administrator by observing the progress and checking that the work matches the design intent outlined in the contract documents. Additionally, your architect will help you facilitate communication between the building owner and the contractor. One thing to keep in mind is that communication differs depending on your project delivery. To learn more about the 5 most common project delivery methods, check out the video we made covering those methods. For most projects, however, you will mostly communicate with your architect. Now let's dive into the 5 duties of an architect during construction. Before construction begins, your architect will establish expectations with you and your contractor. Your architect will host a pre-construction kickoff meeting where you discuss payments, schedules, and lines of communication. In the meeting, you may also discuss logistical concerns and other details to get the project underway. In addition to visiting the site, your architect will also review submittals from the contractor, including fabrication drawings, product data, certificates, warranties, color samples, and mock-ups. Although contract documents list acceptable products and manufacturers, the contractor may prefer you use something else. By reviewing submittals, your architect can help ensure the contractor's choices align with your vision. Throughout the construction process, your architect will review budgets and payment requests. Typically, you will make monthly payments for the work completed until that point. Through regular site visits, your architect will review the completed work to ensure payments to the contractor are accurate. Your architect may advise you to withhold payments for non-conforming work, and once corrected, the contractor will be paid in full. When change orders occur, your architect will act as your advisor. If an unexpected situation arises, or your contractor notices an error or omission in the contract documents, they will request clarification from your architect. Your architect will review the request to determine if a change is warranted and if it's fair and reasonably priced. They will then discuss the change with you and, with your approval, issue a change order. In these situations, communication needs to flow from the contractor to the architect. Having the architect review all requests before getting your approval helps maintain the design intent and ensures code requirements are met even as the scope changes. Lastly, your architect will help wrap up construction and get your building ready for move-in. As construction finishes, your architect will evaluate the work and create a punch list of items your contractor will need to complete before your move-in date. They will also review warranties and user manuals to ensure you and your team have what you need to operate your facility. Even after you've settled into the new building, your architect will be available to answer any questions. As you've learned, your architect will be there to guide you through the construction process. Throughout this, your architect will be your primary source of contact. Once construction completes, you can start living and working in your new space. They will stay in contact and reach out to perform a post-occupancy evaluation. To learn more about our approach, contact us by clicking the Meet With Us button to set up a meeting with one of our architects. Thanks for watching.